Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to make our Instagram profile or Instagram account as private. So all we have to do is tap on this right top corner on this hamburger icon. Then tap on settings and privacy and then scroll down till you find this option, account privacy. Now you can see that the private account option is turned off, which means my profile is right now public. So let me just turn on the privacy then. And this is the problem, that a creator account cannot be made private. Now to make any account private, first we will switch back to a personal account and then we will make it private. So just tap on OK. Let's go to back button. Alright, then after that you have to look for this option, creator tools and controls. Just tap on it. So we can just scroll down till we find this option, switch account type. Now if you tap on it, then we are going to get two options, switch to personal account, switch to business account. Now this profile that I'm using right now is already a business account or creator's account. So first of all I'll have to switch it to personal account. So before you make this switch, you'll have to keep these things in mind, that your insights will be lost. If your profile is running any kind of ads, that will also be lost. If your profile is meta verified, then that will also be lost. So once you are done with that, you can just switch to personal account and let's go back to the profile. And now you can see that we don't have that professional dashboard anywhere. So this is a personal account now. Now let's tap on this top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy and then scroll down till you find this option, account privacy. And now you just have to turn on this private account feature. After you make your account private, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. So you can just switch to private. And also you can make changes to who can see your post and stories. You can tap here on review followers and review your followers. Otherwise just tap on not now and that is it. Now your profile is private. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the content of the video. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.